Is she Canadian? What the title? Things to do in Edmonton. Hey guys, welcome to our home. So it's evening time. I'm here cooking. Natsy's there doing Malika's here, and we thought that why not do a live? It's been a while since not a live, not a live, not a live. We're not doing a live. Why not do a vlog? Just to show you guys what we do most of the time when we're home chilling. Nats found this YouTube video that she's very interested in right there. And she is combing. Malika's here. Normally Malika would be kicking and screaming.
She's gonna start.
She's gonna start very soon. And she already did Malia's here. You know you have a gift, babes. You can actually do this, you know, for a living, you know. You can actually do that for a living, you know.
On the baby's face.
Yeah? Yeah, not as a gift, man. I don't have any here, so I'm not in queue, but you have a gift for that. Yeah. Malika, say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. We're actually in the process of potty training Malia as well.
Process she did already.
Yeah, she did it?
She did already.
She used the toilet a couple times. You don't mean such a fully potty train it. Work in progress. Yeah, so we're in the process of doing that. So, you know, when we just started, a lot of pee everywhere. But there's definitely improvement. She's now telling us when she wants to use the bathroom, so that's good. Watching a video of Australia, we said, don't know. Things to do in Edmonton.
Our different content creators.
Different, yeah. You guys probably know that Edmonton is our second home. Home away from home. We just need to buy a house there now.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Outside.
You guys haven't seen Nats in a while. It's been a while Nats haven't been in a video. I've been doing most of the sit-down videos myself. We haven't done a vlog in a while. So, Nats, are you good? How are you doing?
I'm good.
Sure?
I want to go to Jamaica.
Yeah.
You asked me I want to go to Jamaica.
I want to go to Jamaica too, man.
I want to go, like,
Yeah?
homesick. I want to go home.
Very homesick.
Yeah. Just want to go 2 weeks now. 2 weeks.
Just
I
2
think.
weeks?
Yeah. Expensive.
I would want to go for probably a month.
Yeah,
It's gonna be
it's
expensive,
expensive.
but 2 weeks run off quick though.
Well, I just want to go for food, chill a little bit, beach, river,
Beach, yeah.
be good.
You're good. That is that. I don't know. Definitely this year. Jamaica's on the radar, by the way, guys. Jamaica's on the radar. Malika, take your hands out your mouth. Take your hands out. You're not going to give them the same hairstyle. And I give them the same.
No, this is a Techland.
Oh. Malia, show the camera here.
Show YouTube your hairstyle.
Say hi, guys.
Show the camera.
Malia, need a pants.
Yes, you need a pants.
Go for your pants there. One of the good things about having two girls is the younger one get there. You want to say hi?
Hi.
Say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Like the video.
Make a video.
Leave a comment.
Leave a comment.
Alright, I'm not going to pressure you anymore. Thank you, Malia. As I was saying, guys, one of the good things about having two girls, one older than the other one, is the youngest one get all the hand-me-downs. So like all of Malika clothes, especially the good clothes and shoes and stuff, instead of donating it or giving it away, we just keep it. Because when we give her, she think it's new. She knows this
Yeah.
sister's clothes. But there's some shoes in the closet where she not gonna know. Like Malika have some. Malia, come on. Yeah, come stand up. Stand up. Yeah, this is Malia's. Show the camera your hairstyle. Come, Malia. Show the camera your ear. Your pretty hair. Show your camera your pretty hair. Whoa, you like it?
Yeah, I'm shaking it.
You shaking it?
Yeah.
Can I see the back? Can I see the back? Oh, did their hair?
Mommy.
Did you cry?
No.
What are you doing?
Uh,
What are you doing now? Watching phone?
yeah.
Okay. Go and sit down. Love you. Guys, Jana. Sometimes she talks, she just melt too hot. Am I alone?
No.
She don't melt your hot. Oh my gosh. We have to look for something else. New Ontario Rural Regional Economic Development. What a long name. Oh my
Or
gosh.
is that immigration line?
Ontario driving rural and northern economic growth. Guys, this is what we do most of the time. Just sit down and look for changes in immigration and
No, we start with like again. We have to stop.
we got lazy. We got lazy. Guys, let me talk to you now a little bit. I want you to do something for me. I want all of you watch your video them and don't subscribe if subscribe.
I know, oh my God.
And please, we're trying to get up our numbers, but we can't do it without you guys, so here I go. As humble as I can, I'm asking you guys just to take a second hit that subscribe button. And if you like the family, let us know in the comment section. Many of you guys have been here when there was only 3 of us. Then there was 4. Then there will be 5 very soon.
Come on. Ready?
Yes. Then there will be 5 very soon.
5 where?
You know, say, yeah, Glo.
That not nothing to do with the where 5.
9 months from last week.
Okay, so if you keep
we
on
dropped your
putting
one.
this thing out in the,
9 months
the
from last week,
universe,
we were
it might happen.
September?
It might happen.
Well, hold on, I'm gonna check. What were they now? January? February?
I'm not getting pregnant. I'm not having another child.
September. So by the 3rd week of
If you want
September.
another one, you go out there.
Go where? Where am I
Where?
going to go? Where am I
Oh,
going
cause me
to
not
go? Tell
here.
me. If you want another one, where am I going to go? Yeah, on camera.
No,
Tell
if you
me.
want to go for what? If you want another child, you go because I'm not
Go
giving
where?
another- Wherever child.
Yeah, you keep
kids are
saying
made.
go. Yes, keep saying go. Go
Where?
where?
Go Wherever.
Go. Go where? Tell me.
Wherever.
Where can I
I'm
go
not
and get
giving you
one?
another one. I'm sorry.
But
I'm
if
putting
I
my
need
money
another
in
one,
that. If you
go
want
out there.
another one,
Go where?
for it.
Go for it where? Tell me where and I'll probably go think about it.
No, where kids are made.
Where are kids made? Kids are made in heaven? Yeah? But yeah. That's the same. I remember when I only wanted one child.
Come on, this thing here. Don't stop put it out there.
No, I'm just saying.
It's like you keep on doing it for months now. You have been doing it.
I've been doing what?
You've been like speaking things or putting hints out there.
It wouldn't be the worst idea.
It's not the word. No, I'm not putting it.
Why not?
I'm not putting nobody through that right now.
I'm just blowing smoke,
And then
guys.
we have a pause for another 2 year basically. Almost 1 year, 2 year.
Guys,
Start over with that.
guys, and every time, let me turn the camera.
No.
Guys, every time the thought crossed my mind of having another child, I just look over there on that one. And remember what we have to be dealing with, and then just quickly pass my mind. Malia, you're the last child, right?
Okay. Okay. Sister here, you want a brother?
She's just saying anything because she's not the cartoon. But that's it. This is our family, guys. Our family consists of myself, my wife, and our 2 daughters. Come, Malika, you didn't stand up and say hi. Come, stand up. Until mommy figure out what she's gonna do with your hair. Whoa. Up. All right. Do you love daddy? Yes. Do you love mommy? What are you playing with? Show everybody what you're playing with. What's this? What is this? You don't know? I don't know what it is either. This is our daughter Malika Jade. If you guys are new here, Malika is non-verbal autistic. And she's our reason for the season. She's our secure job offer.
Yeah. 9 months of work experience. You're gonna make it eligible.
Oh. Is it seem easy? Or not really? Alright, Malika, sorry. That's enough gallivanting. Sit down. Mommy must figure out what she's gonna do that year now. No. But this chicken them in a oven to take a while, so that's something that's chill. Not take a while, I take like an hour. So I'm just chilling. You guys probably know by now, but I'm the chef of the house.
I can't cook. So nobody asks if not can cook. So I put it out there. And
Yeah.
it's not a crime to not be able to
Are you
cook.
willing to learn to cook?
Yeah.
And when you say you can't cook, what do you mean?
I'm not a good cook. I like rice and peas. I don't like to eat rice and peas. That's the reason I'm not interested in learning how to make rice and peas or cook rice and peas.
Yeah, but there's things where I don't eat ackee, but I still learn how to cook ackee.
No, the thing is, because you're always in the kitchen, you love cook. And when you're in the kitchen, I'm doing something else at the time to...
Good answer. You,
Yeah.
you know family food. Good answer. Good answer.
Yeah, it's like our roles doesn't depict that you have a one set task, but he loves to be in the kitchen. You love to be in the kitchen.
Actually, I love cooking.
So when I like in there, I love to clean up, I love to do everything else. So
Probably love is a strong word
love-
for you. Love to clean up
I love to clean up.
because even though I'm always in the cooking, even though I'm always in the kitchen, and not that she like to clean up, she still give me a hard time to say I'm not help her clean up,
Man,
which I do.
yes, I'm not supposed to walk behind him. I have two other kids. Two kids and I
No,
walk
you
behind.
don't want behind me.
We're not gonna do this on camera. We've done this already.
You don't want behind me. That's the first thing. That's the first thing.
Profession is okay, you say.
But what behind me? Yeah, like all the wives just tend to give them husband a very hard time. Like me sitting down on the couch right now is probably a 9 knots.
Why?
I don't know because you know
You just
I look
assume
comfortable.
something.
It's just how you guys are. Like the gym was empty today. It was just me and one other person. Love it. Are you guys seeing the weight loss yet? By the way, let me know.
Money.
Let's watch them out, baby.
They're balling now.
Yeah, we're going out here now. What's up? What's up?
So I asked her to stand up.
You asked him to stand up? No, what you want? Out the kitchen?
Juice? You want juice? And the juice.
That's the one I pee that short shall go for.
She's not getting that though. She get,
You got one?
she get too much today. You never buy that chips?
I never remember. I never remember to buy the chips. So she gave her too much pita shirt today?
I think I did.
I know I broke her about that way. Yeah. Come, mommy, come over here, son. Anyways, that's our vibe for this evening. In the kitchen cooking, not doing air. Just a quick check-in with you guys. You haven't seen us in a while. We're gonna end the video right here. Quick touch base. Big up on yourself. See you guys next video. It's a peace. Why are you looking at me like that?